Hi guys, I'm going to demonstrate how to test see if the batteries are good with a Trooper tester here. This one I bought in Mexico, but basically they're all the same. As you can see on the left here, I have it set at 200 on DC, which is direct current. That's for batteries. And then this one's AC for alternating current, which is electricity, so for volts. So let's go ahead and test it. Let me move the camera down here. Okay, so what you want to do is here's your battery. Let me move here. Here's your battery. So one of your leads is on the right, and the other lead is on the left. And then we have 0.7. So this battery is no good. Let's try this battery. So it doesn't matter which way you put the leads, one on the left, one on the right. This was 1.5. So this is a good battery. 1.5 is what you want to get. All right, guys, that's it. That's how you check your batteries.